Draft became a very important feature whenever we talk about plastic part or plastic product design. Without providing proper draft or doing draft analysis, there is very high certainty you're gonna get your design back by tooling engineers or mold designers, because they will tell you your design is not practical. Therefore, understanding draft is very critical, guys. And in this video, I will be talking about how you can provide draft inside FreeCAD. And for those users who are new here, I would recommend you to kindly subscribe if you want to follow us along in this FreeCAD journey and want to cover other mechanical engineering related topics. Alright, now let's get back to the topic of this video, which is how we can add draft. So here I just created a very simple example model, or I would say simple feature, which is a form of cuboid. Now let's click here on draft. Now as soon as we hit here on draft, you're gonna see this kind of option. Now let me quickly select the phases where I would like to provide draft. Okay. Alright, so I have selected all these 4 phases where I would like to provide draft. Now here you can define the angle. So generally 1 degree or greater is generally considered good enough draft. Now let's click on neutral plane, and I'm gonna say that this is the neutral plane. Now as soon as I selected the neutral plane, you might have seen there is a sudden rise in the below portion. You didn't saw it? And not to worry, I'm gonna vary this draft angle and you're gonna see how my below portion is increasing. And this is because of, we are providing this draft. And the neutral plane is also acting as a hinge. So as you can see here, as I'm changing this value, everything is changing from this selected neutral plane. Now there is one more option where we simply can change the pull direction. It will become like this. So probably you may require to change the value. It will become like this, which is an indication of failure. So let's click again on pull direction and then set back the draft again. Now it could be possible that you just want opposite of this to be true. For instance, here we are providing draft toward this side and then the below portion is getting larger and larger. So let's select here reverse pull, and now here you can see the neutral plane always stays in its original place, and now the final plane surface area actually got reduced. So in this way you can make this kind of customization or changes, and based on the manufacturing process and design, you can provide the necessary draft. Now click OK. So in this way, guys, here we can see we have added draft to our feature inside FreeCAD. Hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow us along in this FreeCAD journey. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.